Yeah, I'm getting it prepped up for rattle can restoration. Won't be the best work I've ever done, but it'll be done in about 20 minutes. That's all that matters to me right now. Yep. We'll get her done. And it'll look like a white truck when I'm done. Yeah, it's getting closer. Rattle can restoration. So a few moments later, bam! Look at that. New China bumper. Beautiful Bondo job. Rattle can restoration. Yeah. But I didn't skimp out on this 15,000 pound class 5 hitch. Except for I forgot that I only got 5,000 pound receivers, or 6,000. One's 6. So I got to get a receiver. But yeah, that looks a little better.